Good morning, girls. Welcome to our maths class. Today we were doing triangles and we'll continue triangles. Today we'll start exercise 11.2, where you are supposed to find out most of the unknown angles. So, question number 1, if we start, suppose I do the second part. Okay, now remember, now in geometry, always you take down the figure. It's better if you use a ruler. But since I'm recording it, I'm just using my free hand. So see, this angle is marked as X. This angle is marked as 55 degree and this angle is marked as 40 degree. Now, girls, remember always that any angle which is within the triangle, which lies in the interior of the angle, like 55 degree and 40 degree, where are these angles placed? These angles are placed inside the triangle. So these angles are called interior angle. Okay. And look at this angle which is marked as X. This angle is placed outside the triangle. So this angle is called exterior angle. Now, is there any relation between the exterior angle and interior angle? Yes. The exterior angle, please write this down. This is very important. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Okay. Opposite interior angles means what is the opposite interior angle to X? It is this and this. That means X is equal to 55 degree plus 40 degree. So X will be equal to 55 plus 40. So X is equal to 95 degree. But you have to write the reason that why have you added. So you have to give this reason that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. If you don't write the reason, you will not get the full marks. Have you understood? Yes. So I hope you can do question number 1, the first and the third part. Now question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle in each of the following diagrams. Okay, so if I do the second figure for you again. This angle is marked as 80 degree. This angle is marked as 30 degree. And this angle is marked as X degree. So which are the interior angles, girls? X and 30 degree. And which is the exterior angle? 80 degree. This is the first thing which you have to understand, that which angles are interior angle and which angle is the exterior angle. So I can write 8x plus 30 degree is equal to 80 degree. Why? The reason must be there that since sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So I can write X is equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree, that is 50 degree. Yes. In the same way, suppose I do the third part for you. The same thing, if you please draw the diagram. I'm constantly telling you these things for your benefit. Okay. So if you draw the triangle like this angle is marked as 70 degree. This angle is X and this angle is 36 degrees. So what are the interior angle? The interior angles are X and 36 degree. So X plus 36 degree will be equal to 70 degree. Okay. So what will be the value of x? 70 minus 36. But the reason has to be there. So it is 34 degree. But please write the reason as I have written it here, that sum of interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle. I move on to the next question. Which is the next question? Question number 3. If I do the third part. Now in this question, this concept is used that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So what are the interior angles? This, and these. This three angles which are marked as 1, 2 and 3, this is the interior angle. So sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So if I move on to question number 3, the third figure. This angle is marked as x, this angle is marked as 60 degree, and this angle is marked as 50 degree. So x plus 60 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. But the reason must be there, this reason, that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I am constantly repeating these facts, that if you don't write the reason in the bracket, you will be awarded 0. Okay. So x plus, from here I can write x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of x? It is 180 minus 110 degree, that is 70 degree. Clear? Now if I do the second part also for you. I hope you are taking it down, girls. This is 125 degree, okay, 2x, and this is 3x. So over here they are using the concept that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So 125 degree will be 2x plus 3x. You have to write the reason again, that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, so I can write that 125 degree will be equal to 2x plus 3x. So 125 degree will be equal to 5x. So x will be equal to 125 by 5. These signs must be there. You have to learn these, girls. So this angle will be 25 degree. So did you understand the two concepts? What are the two concepts about which we are doing these questions? One is that sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is the first concept. This is the second concept, and the first concept is this, that interior angle exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Is it clear, girls? Okay. Now if we move on to question number 4.